Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of weight loss and uncovering the top 10 foods that can help you shed those extra pounds effectively. Let's jump right in. Number 1 on our list is avocados are often hailed as a superfood for weight loss due to their unique nutritional profile and numerous health benefits. Here's a more in-depth look at why avocados are an excellent addition to any weight loss diet. Healthy fats. Avocados are rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to promote satiety and reduce cravings. These fats are also beneficial for overall heart health and can help lower bad cholesterol levels. Fiber. Despite being a high-fat food, avocados are also packed with fiber, with one medium avocado containing around 13-15 grams of fiber. Dietary fiber is essential for digestive health and can help regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and promote feelings of fullness, which can aid in weight loss by reducing overall calorie intake. Blood sugar regulation. The healthy fats and fiber in avocados can help stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent spikes and crashes in energy, which is important for managing hunger and cravings, especially for those with insulin resistance or diabetes. Overall, incorporating avocados into your diet can provide numerous health benefits and support your weight loss goals by promoting satiety, regulating blood sugar, and providing essential nutrients. Just remember to enjoy them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Next up, we have leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These nutrient-dense vegetables are low in calories but high in fiber, making them perfect for promoting weight loss and supporting overall health. Moving on to number 3, lean protein. Lean protein is an essential component of any weight loss diet due to its role in promoting satiety, supporting muscle growth and repair, and aiding in fat loss. Here's a deeper look into why lean protein is crucial for effective weight loss. Satiety and hunger control. Protein is the most filling macronutrient, meaning it helps you feel full and satisfied after a meal. This is partly due to its slow digestion and ability to stimulate the release of hormones that signal fullness, such as leptin and cholecystokinin, CKK. By including lean protein sources in your meals and snacks, you're less likely to experience cravings and overeat later on. Muscle maintenance and growth. When you're in a calorie deficit, consuming fewer calories than you burn, your body may break down muscle tissue for energy. Consuming an adequate amount of protein helps preserve lean muscle mass, ensuring that weight loss comes primarily from fat stores rather than muscle. Additionally, protein intake is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue, especially when combined with regular exercise. Metabolic boost. Protein has a higher thermic effect of food, TEF, compared to carbohydrates and fats, meaning your body burns more calories during digestion and metabolism. This can slightly increase your overall energy expenditure, contributing to weight loss over time. Overall, prioritizing lean protein in your diet can support your weight loss efforts by promoting satiety, preserving muscle mass, and stabilizing blood sugar levels. Combined with regular physical activity and a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, lean protein can help you achieve your weight loss goals in a sustainable and healthy way. Coming in at number 4, we have berries. Berries are not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious and can be a valuable addition to any weight loss diet. Here's a deeper dive into why berries are considered one of the best foods for weight loss. Low in calories and high in fiber, berries such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are naturally low in calories and high in fiber. Fiber adds bulk to your diet without adding significant calories, which helps you feel full and satisfied without overeating. This can contribute to weight loss by reducing overall calorie intake. Rich in antioxidants, berries are packed with antioxidants including flavonoids, anthocyanins, and vitamin C, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Antioxidants play a crucial role in supporting overall health and may also aid in weight loss by promoting metabolic health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Slow digestion and blood sugar regulation. The high fiber content in berries slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. This can help regulate appetite and energy levels, reducing cravings for sugary snacks and promoting weight loss. Berries are a nutrient-dense and delicious addition to any weight loss diet. Their low-calorie and high-fiber content, along with their abundance of antioxidants, make them an excellent choice for promoting satiety, regulating blood sugar levels, and supporting overall health and well-being. Incorporate a variety of berries into your meals and snacks to reap their many benefits and enjoy a flavorful approach to weight loss. Number 5 on our list is quinoa, a gluten-free whole grain that is packed with protein and fiber. Quinoa is incredibly versatile and can be used in salads, soups, stir-fries, and more, making it a convenient and nutritious addition to any weight loss meal plan. Next up, we have Greek yogurt, which is higher in protein and lower in sugar than regular yogurt. Greek yogurt makes for a satisfying snack or breakfast option that can help keep hunger at bay and support your weight loss efforts. Moving on to number 7, nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are nutrient-dense foods that can be highly beneficial for weight loss when consumed in moderation. Here's a closer look at why nuts and seeds are considered among the top foods for weight loss. Healthy fats. Nuts and seeds are rich in healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These fats are essential for overall health and play a key role in supporting heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation in the body. Despite being calorie-dense, the fats in nuts and seeds contribute to feelings of fullness and satiety, helping to curb appetite and prevent overeating. Protein and fiber. Nuts and seeds are also excellent sources of protein and fiber. Protein helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied, while fiber adds bulk to your diet, aids in digestion, and promotes feelings of fullness. The combination of protein and fiber in nuts and seeds can help regulate appetite, stabilize blood sugar levels, and reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks between meals. Long-term weight management, including nuts and seeds as part of a balanced diet, can support long-term weight management and overall health. Research suggests that individuals who regularly consume nuts and seeds are more likely to maintain a healthy weight and have a lower risk of obesity and chronic diseases such as heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Nuts and seeds are nutrient-dense foods that offer a combination of healthy fats, protein, fiber, and micronutrients, making them an excellent choice for promoting satiety, regulating appetite, and supporting weight loss. Including a variety of nuts and seeds in your diet can contribute to improved overall health and well-being while helping you achieve your weight loss goals. Number 8 on our list is legumes such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas. Legumes are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to lose weight or improve their overall health. Coming in at number 9, we have eggs, which are packed with high-quality protein and essential nutrients. Eggs make for a satisfying and nutritious breakfast option that can help keep you feeling full and energized throughout the morning. Last but not least, we have whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, and oats. Whole grains are rich in fiber and complex carbohydrates, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, while also providing steady energy levels throughout the day. And there you have it, folks, the top 10 foods for effective weight loss. Incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet can help you achieve your weight loss goals while also supporting your overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.